मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए मेरी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन को क्लिक कीजिए।
Hello, Namaste. How are you all today? Do you want to know using which technique we can create this kind of mehndi design? If yes, then let's see what material we will need to create this beautiful mehndi design. We will need mehndi cone, mehndi paste. Of course, it's the most important ingredient material for this design because it's a mehndi design. Then we will need glue. I am using body art glue here. If you want, you can use any white craft glue, Fevicol as an alternative. Then I am using our Ganesha tool for the design outline. It's not necessary, it's an optional thing. You can draw any design freehand, but with this video I do want to share with you that what are the other usage of our mehndi tools. Now when you use our tools for imprint on your palm, then you have to be little bit careful while using it because our palm surface is uneven, so you have to be extra thoughtful about it, otherwise you won't get few lines here and there. So okay, now I have used this tool and I have created Ganesha on my hand. Now let me see, did I miss any lines? And it seems like there are a couple of lines that have been missed and that I will create while drawing design. So next what we are doing, I let it dry a little bit, the ink, because I do not want this ink to get smudged. So once line gets little bit dry, I use glue to create dots on top of all the lines. Now when you are creating these dots, few things you have to think very carefully, you have to take in consideration. Those are like those dots are not supposed to be too thick like the way we create in Gulf design, and that's the mistake I also did in my first two dots. So we are not supposed to create very thick dots. Instead we are supposed to create very light dots all around the line. Then we are supposed to keep space in between two dots. So once all the dots are done, you have to let it dry at least 70 to 80%, and if possible completely. So let this glue dry. So by the time it gets dry, what I did, I decorated the surrounding. Now I have created circle around it. It's not necessary that you create circle around it and you create exactly same design as I have done. You can use square, paisley, leaf shape, any shape of your choice. Plus you can draw any design of your choice. You just concentrate on the technique I'm sharing with you. In another way, this technique is more like a reverse design technique, reverse negative spacing technique, where the places we have applied glue, it won't get any color. So the glue will work as a resistant paste. So if you remember, like couple of years back, I created one video regarding resistant paste, and I used plain flour, all-purpose flour as a resistant paste. So if you want, you can use that all-purpose flour as a resistant paste and create dots using it. But you have to be very careful with the consistency of that paste, because sometimes plain flour react very weirdly in different situations, so you don't have any control over it. So using glue is much more friendlier, so user friendly. So that's why it's your choice. So whatever design you want to create, whatever material you want to use as a resistant paste, it's completely depends on you. I am just sharing one technique here, so using that you can create various type of other design and you might come up with something very fantastic. Now it's sometimes challenging to create design on our own palm while recording and while doing voiceover. So yeah, I am facing that difficulties here, but my only purpose to share this video with you is to share this beautiful technique that you can use multiple other ways. So now when the glue was dried enough, I covered that entire area with thick mehndi paste. Try to do even layer of mehndi paste, then you will get very beautiful even color. So I kept henna paste only for 2 to 3 hours, and then I washed my hand because I could not keep it longer than that. But if you want very beautiful nice effect, try to keep it more longer period of time, then you can see very striking dark color for the surrounding, and those dots have no color. So yeah, I kept only 2-3 hours, even though my color was so beautiful, and within 8 hours, as you can see in a video, the color looks so beautiful, the design look very beautiful. So I hope you all would have liked the technique I have shared with you. So if you come up with some new idea using this technique, do share with us, and by the time you are exploring this technique and creating your ideas into realities, I am creating new other videos, and we will definitely meet again with my new video. Till then, stay blessed, stay inspired. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye. See you.